here at the Merry River Wilderness Retreat in Northern Territory. We're going to surprise the kids with something they haven't done before. What do you think it is, guys?
I don't know. I feel like it's something to do with some animals.
Animals or something? What's your guess?
I don't know. I heard Mum say...
What about you, Mills?
We go that way.
What do you think what's your guess? What do you think we might do?
Might look at that sign. That's what we might be going to.
You know what we're going to do?
What?
We're going to steal this buggy and not tell anyone. Come on, get on it.
No.
Don't tell anyone though.
Who's going in the front and who's
Come
going
on,
back?
let's go.
Oh yeah.
On.
Yeah, get on, quick,
Quick before anyone sees us.
No, Daddy paid.
You're holding on?
Daddy paid for it. I want to go on the...
Yeah, boy.
Can you see anyone they coming after us?
Yeah.
I think we got away with it.
I want to drive. Can I drive?
Where's where are we going to go?
Where to, kids?
This space walking, doesn't it?
You steer, Jacob. Grab the wheel.
I don't see it.
Let's grab it. Right, Jacob's in control.
I've been walking.
How is it over the back?
Oh,
Over this side.
real. Because it's 37 degrees and I don't want to walk on those walking tracks.
Jump on, Ben. Come on. On your get. Get on, I don't have all day. Get on!
Get on!
How do I go?
Goodness me. Have these kids?
Mate, we just buy one car on
What are those guys in the back complaining about, Madeline?
the dust.
What dust?
Go faster, Daddy.
Getting dusty back there? So what they're probably.
I've got mountain shoes. You don't
Oh no.
Where's my shoe?
What's the problem? We didn't get any dust. Did
My leg.
you get any?
Can I go now?
I didn't get any.
Can I please go now?
Emily's saying that we're driving too fast and putting dust in her leg and she's dirty.
Really
But
so.
if you ask me, she just hasn't had a wash for a few days.
Looks like I've got like heaps of makeup on it or something. Look at Millie's. Oh,
Mine. My other one.
so disgusting.
Do mine. My other one. I don't
What? Look at your dress.
Look at the line here. Look at this.
I'm gonna turn it on. I turn it on one.
You might want to have a shower once in a while.
Do it now, quick, because Dad's not in.
I turn it onto the end and then turn it onto the end.
Do you know what N means? Cup is get in the middle. It's the brake, and that one makes it go.
I thought.
Gently though. Right, so Jake is fully in control now. He's doing the accelerator and the brake. Right, show me that you can stop. Radio, go. Hook them up.
You officially got your buggy license, mate.
Pretty easy.
I can just sit back and sink tins.
You're not allowed to sink tins in this if they're driving.
If you're not allowed to sink tins, why do they put 4 tin holders?
We're not getting it.
Well, the track's getting rough a bit. Have you locked the hubs in, buddy?
What?
Put in four-wheel drive?
I'll go max.
Yeah, side step to clutch, dial out some revs.
But it doesn't have doors.
Or a clutch.
Or a clutch, or four-wheel drive, but whatever. Sounded cool.
It's not even a four-wheel drive car.
Can you do max donuts in the gravel?
No. Yeah. Jacob, stop going off the end. It's very dry.
hot.
So tour guide, what other kinds of birds and things do we see here?
What's it called? White cockatoos and what was the other one, Mum?
You're the tour guide, you got to act confident.
I forgot the other one. The one with the albus or something. Ibis, yeah. Ibis.
So this is Madeline's first turn. Do you know which ones go and which ones stop?
This one's the
Okay. Show us your mad skills.
She's not even going off the track.
Show us that you can stop.
Guess what? She's not even going off the track. You did it on purpose. And that's how I stop. Yucky.
Okay. You got to take your foot off this when you stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it that way, because look, bamboos.
Madeline, see this? We're pretty close to hitting. Trying to keep you away a little bit, okay?
Oh, that's a good...
Put your arms inside the buggy.
Everybody, please keep your arms inside the buggy.
We've got assistant. What kind of animals will we see?
Birds, animals, birds tweeting, bamboos, and you may see a lizard. I already see one.
What about a unicorn?
Oh yeah, you may see a horse, but not a unicorn.
Zebras?
No. You'll
Elephants?
see...
Rhinos?
No.
Lions?
No, you'll
Tigers?
see hippopotamus and tigers.
Okay.
That's all you'll see. And you'll see fishy and crocodile.
Where there's water there could be...
Crocodile.
Rightio, it's Millie's turn to have a go on the accelerator. So that one makes a go and I'll use the brake for you, alright?
Can I
Yeah, put your foot down, gently.
pull?
Put it down. More, that's it. Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
So Millie's in charge of the throttle and the steering wheel.
I would rather her start with the throttle. Hey Dad, who do you think's been the best driving so far?
I don't know, mate. Me.
No, out of the kids. No.
You're doing a good job, Millie. Is it hard, Millie?
No. I got my buggy license.
How did you get your buggy license?
Didn't get any.
You didn't get any what?
Buggy license.
You just said you had. So have you got it or you don't?
Done.
Ah.
I do. I don't have my driver's license. I do. I don't. We just steal this buggy from somebody at a caravan park. Literally. So, Daddy.
Do you reckon the police will find us down here?
Oh no, because there's no vehicle and police have a vehicle.
Okay. So we're safe.
Yeah. Because I can't put it in the buggy. Daddy actually paid at the counter. No, he didn't. He did. That's why he went in there. Are you ready for mischief?
Keep it on the road, kid.
I would rather her control it. Don't do that.
Come on.
Okay, we've got to go real slow, Mills, because it gets mummy dusty.
Well, at least they don't just keep stopping all the time.
Yeah.
It gets her sandy.
It makes her foot look even more ugly. Look at her foot. It's so ugly. It's uglier than an ugly baboon. And out of the hairs.
It's got what?
Right.
Like she added poop on her foot and added hairs. Look. Start to that though. Guess what? Dad doesn't even get to drive the buggy. That's lucky, because he always drives and he gets really tired.
Yeah, you get to have a break today. Kids are doing their share today.
I want to do this for the rest of my life. Hey Dad, get out here.
No way, bro.
Do it.
Nope.
Get out.
Why?
I'll send you out. Wait there, wait there.
Ah, did it stop on you?
It won't let me. It won't let me.
It knows that I'm not near it, so it broke down.
Flat.
Wait. Oh.
Sucker!
Get off! You have to go in the front.
Ah.
Slow down. I think Leslie built it.
No way, this is his better job.
Stop! Stop! It's not funny. I'll go first. Jacob keeps on wobbling it.
It's a swinging bridge, mate.
Nobody's doing it on purpose. It's not funny, Mum.
Just run.
Don't do it, buddy.
Run.
Mum!
That might do, guys.
It's not funny, Mum.
Oh man.
How do you feel about that?
I'm embarrassed. If I could see out of these glasses,
Looks like you got makeup
I'd
on.
be even more embarrassed. We sent all 3 kids back to the bridge to run over it and back without sooking this time. That was better.
I almost fell. My foot almost went through. This is just like walking in an ordinary wobbly
Well
walk.
done, buddy. That was better. That's better, Milva. Moment of truth. First time cooking cakes in the Ziggy. Okay. Oh.
Ooh, nailed it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Not too shabby.
I'm just using my tool. Madeline, can you move around?
Not too bad. Looks like a big poo.
John,
Oh, sorry.
this is my gourmet cooking. If anybody needs some tips and tricks on how to cook on the road, I've got the answers. Nailed it first time. I'll give you the instructions later. Here's little Millsy Moo. We're doing our makeshift cake. We've cooked it in the barbecue. And Millie's spreading out some of the icing in between the layers. We didn't have any cream, so we've used sour cream, brown sugar and vanilla because that's what we had. Doesn't taste too bad, does it, Mill?
No.